Good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day in southern Idaho. It's a nice morning, not too hot, not too windy. Today we're going to be working on the J truck off-road wrecker again. So I got it over here by the shop door and I was able to get the wrecker boom in it with some help of the farm equipment. So it's sitting in the back there where it needs to be. Now I just need to get it fastened down to the frame and get the winch put on it and make it so it's usable. So that's what we're going to be working on today and try and walk you through what we're doing. I've also got some more pieces here, possibly make a rear bumper. I took the original one off. Didn't want to damage it, it would stick out too far, so not really the best for picking stuff up and having it sway into the back of it. But anyway, we'll get started on that and go from there. Okay, so I've got these two pieces of metal cut out with the plasma cutter. A couple of other random pieces here to use. I'm going to smooth them out, prep them a little bit, and then they'll go back up in here underneath that front mount. Someone already attached some angle pieces that come up from the frame that are pretty well welded in, so I'm going to Okay, so I got those cleaned up pretty good. Can set them up in there. Kind of figure out where they're going to go and figure out where I need to drill a hole in them to meet up with the mount. So I got the plates put in there, bolts holding them in, holding the plates in place. The piece itself is kind of ski-wampus, so it doesn't sit real flat. So I drilled some holes down through here, down to the bed, and I'm going to drop a couple of bolts down through there to secure it. Won't move around. Some of you are like me, you gotta use used bolts. Can't always use new stuff, so I'm gonna round up some washers for these and be right back. All right, so I got a few bolts in the bottom here. Here's this thing. It'll still have a little bit of movement to it. Get a few more things, but I gotta get it secured to the frame. If I leave it where it is right now, it'll just tear through the bed and be no good. So yeah, figure out, get some more holes drilled, get the welder over here, and we'll weld those two brackets up that go down through the frame. It should be pretty good. Okay, we got this ready to go. I got this mocked up, the winch mount where it needs to go. We'll get this welded up and put up in there so you can see where it goes. I've got the piece bolted down pretty good. We'll get the plates welded up and go from there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this welded up. Okay, everything's welded up in there, in place. And we're gonna get the winch over here and set that in there so that we can see how that works. Okay, got the Winch pulled it in there and ready to go. So now we'll let the boom down and run the cable, the line through it, and see if we can't then hook up the power. See what we got. All right, we're gonna let the boom down. There. Oh, that's it. That's close. That's what we needed. All right, now I can run the cord through it. Whew, that was heavy. Okay, so I knocked the pin out of here, let the pulley down, because I gotta somehow try and get this through there, which is not gonna happen. That does not have enough room to go through there. So, I may have to, in the long run, I'd like to get a Yankum winch line and put in there, but for right now we're going to go ahead and use this death wheel and cut some of that back and get that put in there. Okay, got her hooked up, got the cable in, hook on. I tried it, works good wired. Get some batteries for the wireless remote. This is a different type of, or brand I should say, of a winch. Never tried this one before. This is an open road, 13,500, so figured it should be enough to do whatever we need to do. Got to get some more parts, some battery connections. Got to build some brackets for my fair lead. Need to get a Yankum fair lead, and yeah, making progress. We'll be getting stuff done with it in no time. Next, we'll build a bumper so that we can hook stuff up. Go from there. So thanks for watching.